I can guarantee you these are the 6 absolute best free stock video websites that you can use today. You don't even need to give credit to the website or the person who made the video on most of these sites. If you want to try any of the websites, I will be linking them in the description below. So I will not waste your time anymore and continue to website number 1. First up, we got the beautiful site of Cover. Here you can simply click search and then search for a term, like for example beach. Once you search beach, you can see the sponsorships on the top, and if you scroll down you can see the free videos. Here you can see pictures of your videos. If you hold over a picture, you can see the video starts playing. If I for example want this video, I can click on it and then I can see the length of it, the FPS and the aspect ratio. If I want to download the video, I can click free download, or I can click the down arrow here and see the options. On this original version you will need Cover Plus, but you can just download Full HD for free. And if you look down at the bottom, you can see that this video is completely free and you don't need to give credit to no one, but it's always appreciated. One more thing you can do is look at this top menu right here, and then you can for example choose from different categories like people right here, and then you can scroll past these sponsorships. And here I like to sort by popular instead of newest to get the best ones. Then you can see some videos right here, and if you scroll furthermore you can see a lot more videos including people. Next up we got a quite big one, which is Pixabay. Here you can actually get over 4.1 million high quality stock videos, images and also music. So if you for example click on all images, you can see the filters. For this video we're gonna go for videos, so I can search for example for beach here also, and then I can see different beach videos under the sponsors right here. All these are royalty free videos. So if I for example want this one, I can hover over it to see the video and also click on it like this. Here you can see the likes, and if you want to download it you press this and then you can choose which aspect ratio you want and just simply click download. If you want to see the details you can click on this, then you can see the views on it, the likes, the downloads, and you can see when it was published. If you want to look into the content license, you can look down here and press license. Then you can see that you can use the content for free, you don't need to attribute to the author, and you can modify or adapt content into new works. So if you want to filter through the videos of Pixabay, you can do that quite easily. Here in this menu you can for example click orientation, then you can choose from horizontal or vertical videos. If you want to make a Instagram reel or a TikTok, you can for example click vertical, and then you can get a lot of free vertical videos. You can also click on effects to show different kinds of animations, slow motion and time lapse. If you click on resolution, you can change from HD and 4K, and publish date you can choose from 24 hours up to 12 months. And if you want to clear the filters, you just click clear all. Moving on, we got the awesome site of Mixkit. Here you can click on this to see all the filters you can go through. For this video we're gonna go for videos of course, but you can also choose music, sound effects, templates and icons. So if I just search on a category like a city, then I can scroll past the sponsors, and here I can see all the videos. If the video is 4K, you can see that in the top left hand corner of the video. So if I want this one, I can click on it, then on the right side I can see which aspect ratio I want. For now I want 4K. Then I simply just click download. Mixkit also got a quite good menu right here. You can click on new, background, vertical, time-lapse, Halloween, and here you can see categories within categories, like for example food right here, and then you can click on coffee to see coffee videos. If you want to learn more about the free license, you can click on this link right here. Then you can see that you can use it for free on YouTube videos, social media posts, educational purposes, music videos, filmmaking and much more. You can also see here that you don't need to credit Mixkit, however they would appreciate it if possible. Next in line we got Videvo. Here you can not only get videos but also motion graphics. So if you click on the motion graphics in the drop down menu and you click search, you get access to a lot of cool motion graphics. If you pay close attention, You can see that some of these videos have a free icon in the left corner and some have a lightning bolt. The ones with the lightning bolt you need to pay for, but the ones that free you do not need to pay for. So let's click on the free one right here. However, on VidEvo you often need to credit the author, like on this video right here. Here in the licensing it says that you must credit the author, but you can use it in as many projects as you want. If you click on the blue button on the left side, you can see all the filters you can choose from. Here you can choose from free clips, premium clips, the duration of the video, and the resolution, the licensing type, and all the different categories like 4K, technology, fire, music, statics, VFX, and for example wedding. Next up we got the clean side of Pexels. Here you can just click on this drop down menu to choose from photos and videos like normal. Then I'll for example just search for moon this time to see videos of a moon. So if I want to download this video for example, I can click download right here to download it straight away, or I can click on it to view it bigger. When I'm ready to download the video, I can click on free download right here, or the drop down arrow right here to choose from different aspect ratios. To see the licensing, you can click on free use bottom left right here. Then you can see that you can use all photos and videos on Pexels for free. Credit is not required, and you can modify the photos and videos from Pexels. So lastly we got Adobe Stock, which is also completely free. So to get the free videos you need to press on this drop down menu right here. Then you can choose free. Then you can search whatever you would like, for example sky. After you search sky, here you can see that it's only images, but if you press on videos right here, you get a bunch of free videos in 4K. So to license a video, you can simply click right here to license it. I've already logged in, so it gets licensed into my library right here. Here you can also see a lot of filters on Adobe Stock, like assets types, resolution, background, duration, looping, frame rate, shot size, shot angle, orientation, and people. Be sure to hit the like button if you find any of the websites useful. Thanks for watching.